Today, I'd like to introduce you to a historic piece of property located right here on Chicago's North Shore. Come on in, let me show you. This has got to be one of the best features in this house. This all-glass conservatory, which seamlessly ties into the Victorian style of the farmhouse. Original characteristics like this make the property so unique and charming. As you can see walking through the kitchen, it's been timelessly renovated and updated with appliances for today's modern life. One of my favorite stories about this home is this whimsical porte cochere, where the horse and buggy used to drop off the homeowners and then continue on to the bus.